Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to work on a program known as Palindrome. So let's just define what is that palindrome called or what does that mean. So I will just take an example. Let's have a string or anything is called madam. So this is the original string which you have now. If we write the same string in a reverse order, it could be just M A D A M. So if this reverse string is similar to the original string, I pronounce in the same order with the same meaning with every characters. So this you can see that this string is a palindrome. You can have another example like dad. So if we write dad in reverse on order, you can also the same string, same meaning with the same alphabet. So this is called, if the string is, if we have any string and if we reverse that string and we get the same result of the original, so we can call that is a palindrome. So let's do an example. It will be help to understand in a proper way. So I will be requiring a new project. Will be Java normal application. Let's say it's called palindrome row. Okay, now I have just got that. as as normally I just removing this these all things. Okay, so let's start. Let me have a string in a main function only. We can have string original and one more as a reverse. We can just take, you can have an input from user scanner, user input is equal to new scanner. I would, you can it will be system dot in. Scanner is a class which help us to take the input from the user through keyboard while running the code. So let me have to import these things in. Yes, util scanner. Okay, now let's take given a message for the user system dot out dot println enter and string. Let's say it could be original is equal to user input dot next line is a function of the scanner class. This is used to take the input from the user. I'm just storing this input into original string, and we'll check, we have to check that this string in a reverse order. We can store in that reverse here. Let's, it could be have empty string. Okay, we'll be also requiring a variable called str length, where we have to specify the original dot string length of the string. So let's see, we'll be requiring a for loop where we declare I is equal to str length gth minus 1 k, and I should be greater than equal to 0. I'm just So I have declared an int as a instead length. It will store the length of the original string which is entered by the user here, and I'm using the for loop, and we'll check if every we'll just reverse this string, every character in a reverse and just store in a reverse string. So it will be reverse equal to reverse, we'll just concatenate, and we'll just have original dot char at index of I. So this will work that we're just getting the length of the original string. We are using a loop in a reverse order, so the last character of the string will be stored in an array first in a reverse order. Suppose it's MADM, so last M will be stored and appended to this reverse string. Again, after entire loop, we'll get a string in a reverse order of the original value, and check if it is similar, then it will be the palindrome, otherwise it's not. So we just specify the condition if what is null dot equals reverse, just will print a message here, else it is an palindrome string. It is not. We can have specified different messages, not the same which I wrote. So I have done this program. I have taken a string where I get the input from the user and store in the original value. We'll get the length of the string, and using the for loop we will just store the value of each character in a reverse order to reverse string, and we just check if this equals or not, and on the basis that the result will be displayed. So let's just test, is it, just have the run. Okay, here I'm getting the message. Let's have a simple which is palindrome, just damn it's saying it is a palindrome string because the madam and the reverse order will be same. Just run one more time to different string, so they welcome, it is not, because while reversing we get different EMOCL. So let's have a proper message one more. It is not an palindrome string. Okay, let's check, and let's have a proper view. Let's have okay, and we can also just display the value for the reverse, so it will be easy for you to have a proper view. So let's display original string will be, let's say, original slash t reverse, it will be reverse string. So in both the condition we'll just check if actually it makes display the original string and a reverse string, so we'll give a proper view. Let's run it once more time. Let's say MADM. See, it is a palindrome string. Original string will say madam and reverse will be madam. Let's have one more. What we can have, just have mango. Let's see. As you can see, it's original string and reverse string is OG and AM. If it is not equal to that, is not a palindrome string. Let's have one more string for that. So you can see it is a palindrome string. So it's a simple code to check the enter string is a palindrome or not. That's it for this video. Thanks for the watching, and you can also like, subscribe and comment in the comment section box. If you want any other video tutorials on a specific program, you can just write us in the comment box and I will work on that and will have the same tutorial for you. That's it. Thanks for the watching.